Okay, we've moved around to the other side of the van. I'm going to show you where all the hoses and electrical cords and so forth are, and the features on this side. So first of all, this door here again uses the pantry key, so we just need to unlock. It's already unlocked. Alright, so in the bottom drawer we have the hoses for if you're connected to town water. So for example, in a caravan park or at somebody's property and you're using their water, you'll need this hose, the blue one. This is the adapter that goes into the outlet. I'll show you. The outlet is here, so it's just a matter of taking this off and screwing it into there and then connecting it to the town water supply. The other hoses in here, you have two grey water hoses. One is for the sink in the kitchen and the other is for the grey water for the bathroom in the caravan. Now the plug for the one for the bathroom is underneath here. So if you get underneath, you'll see the connection there. So that's pretty easy to do. Also in this area is the electrical cord. So if you're on a powered site, we have a very large extension lead. You need to plug this into the mains power of the caravan, which is here. Okay, you'll plug into this and then into the main of the caravan park or wherever you're staying. Now if you need to convert the amperage, we have the power box here. It's just a matter of opening it up with the clips and then putting this in here like so, closing that up and then plugging this end into the mains power at the caravan park or at the house where you are. Okay, so now if you're going off grid and you're not on town supply of water, you're going to need to use the tanks. So we have a front tank here, which is opened here. We have keys for those, which is just the water outlet, green keys, tank inlet, sorry, and also the rear tank. So the rear tank is quite simple. It's just a matter of unscrewing, popping the hose in there and filling up the tank. We recommend that you use the rear tank first, empty that out, and then you'll switch over to the front tank. I'll show you inside in a moment the gauges to show you the water levels in each of the tanks, and also how to switch the lever between the rear and the front tanks. This here is an outdoor shower, so there's again a key, external shower, and that just provides you with a little shower that you can use outside if you're in a sandy or dirty area and you want to just give a bit of a wash off before you go inside. Okay, we're going to go in and I'll show you how to switch between the two tanks. Follow me. Okay, as I mentioned before, it's advisable to use the rear tank first just to help with the stability of the caravan so that you don't have back-ended weight. To move between the tanks, the lever is down in here. So as it's showing now, you see this blue lever here? That's indicating that the rear tank is open, which means that the water is coming from the rear tank. If you need to swap that over, it's just simply a matter of switching the lever and facing the other way, and now it will be drawing the water from the front tank. Now if you're in doubt at all about where the water is coming from, you can either watch the video again or you can check on the gauges that are on the control panel, and I'll go through that whole control panel with you in a few moments. Okay, I'm just going to show you the outdoor freezer. So again, we need the blue key, the pantry key, to unlock. Okay, so it's on a slide, so we need to push the button down, slide out. Okay, and bring it out to the full length of the slide, and you'll feel that it's locked. Okay, as you can see, it's in the storage mode at the moment, which means that the lids are off. So I'm going to put the lids back on to show you how to do that. But firstly, I'll show you that we have two compartments, one large and the other has got two smaller compartments. Now, both sides can be used as a fridge or freezer. To put the lids on, it's just a matter of squeezing the lever here and attaching them. I'll show you on this one. So it's the same on both sides. You just squeeze the lever and lock them into place. Now these fridge doors will open this side or this side. Okay, either one is fine. To set up the temperature of your fridge, we have the panels here. Just don't have the power on at the moment, but you will see that we have a plus and minus buttons here and the set button, so you can set both to freezer or both to fridge or one of either, and you'll be able to determine which side is which by a little diagram here in the display panel. My recommendation is that you don't try and put the temperature down too low. It will cool down very quickly. Generally -6 is enough for the freezer. Anything more than that, you're just putting too much pressure on the fridge, I think, to try and keep that temperature down. I will show you everything on the panel in a moment, but obviously the panel needs to have the power running to the fridge. The fridge will work whether you're on power or off-grid, and we'll go through all of that in a moment. Now, I also recommend that you don't leave the fridge out just to take the pressure off the cooling of the fridge. I recommend that you put it away after each time that you use it. Okay. Just make sure that it's locked as you put it in.